What is up, y'all? Back again with another video. Today we're going to be taking off the resonator on my wife's 2015 Ford Expedition Ecoboost EL twin turbo. So yeah, it's called the resonator delete is what I've been seeing on some forums, and from what I've been told, it just makes the turbo sound a little more refined and then makes the exhaust a tad bit louder, but it doesn't hurt your vehicle or add any performance gains, just strictly the sound. So yeah, we'll jump right into it and I'll walk you guys through it step by step. Alright, so we're back here at the tailpipe, and I just want to show you guys how to do it. So, up under here, here's the resonator itself. If you look up here, there's one bolt. That's a 15 millimeter, but the problem is you can't get an extension on the ratchet because it'll hit right here. And it's just too small to fit the small end on that. So what I did, or what I'm going to do, is use a wrench to loosen it up, and then use the pliers itself to loosen it up the rest of the way, and then this should theoretically just slide off, and then bye bye resonator. So yeah, I'll put you guys on a time lapse and go from there. Okay, alright y'all, just got it loosened up, so now I'm just going to loosen this bolt with my hand. And of course it's getting a little tight now. Alright, so I got the bolt out, got the spacer, and then this should now loosen up this clamp right here. It should just start sliding out. Might need a little bit of wiggling it around. Alright, so with a little bit of finagling and getting her out, we finally got it out. And that's what it looks like when you take it out. This beast, finally, we can get rid of that thing. So now it looks a lot better from the back. You don't have that massive missile hanging out. So yeah, we'll get some exhaust clips and go from there. Y'all, that'll wrap up the resonator delete video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope it translated in video how it actually sounds, because it definitely is a tad bit louder. Not anything crazy, not anyone's gonna really notice. But when you're driving down the road normally, you're not really gonna notice it, but when you kind of get on it, it definitely does sound better, and the turbo is definitely more refined and you can hear it a lot more, a little bit more whistle. And the cool part is there's no cutting, so if you really don't like it and you want to put the resonator back on, just bolt it right back on. Easy as that. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe for more content, and drop some comments down below for any more video suggestions or anything we should do. We'll go from there. Thank you.